Two online course giants go head-to-head in 2025. Thinkific versus LearnWorlds. Which one truly delivers? On the left, we have Thinkific, effortless course creation for everyone. And on the right, it's LearnWorlds, interactive learning and advanced customization. Let's cut through the marketing hype and get straight to the real differences. Each major category scores points, and by the end, you'll know clearly who takes the crown. The outcome might just surprise you. Before we jump in, let me show you what we're actually comparing, so you're not, flying blind. We're going across pricing, ease of use, features and flexibility, mobile and integrations, support and community, and finally, customization and branding. That's a lot, so grab a snack and let's go category by category. First up, pricing. So Thinkific actually has a forever free plan, which is, super rare these days, right? Plus, they don't take any commission fees, so whatever you make is all yours. The catch? Their paid plans start at $36 a month, which, is kind of steep if you're just getting started. And upgrading to the fancy stuff costs even more, which might sting a little. LearnWorlds, on the other hand, starts lower. $24, sometimes even $29 a month for their entry plans. That's definitely nicer for your wallet. And honestly, they pack a ton of features into those affordable plans, which is cool. But there's no free plan. Zero. Nada. Plus, if you grab the basic plan, you'll deal with transaction fees, which always feels like a sneaky little tax. So for pure price and value, LearnWorlds quietly edges ahead here. You get more for less, even with that transaction fee situation. Let's talk about ease of use. Thinkific is made for folks who want things simple. Drag and drop builder, everything's super visual. If you're a beginner, honestly, it's happiness. Setup is quick and painless. Downside though, if you love tweaking every little thing, you might feel a bit boxed in. Now, with LearnWorlds, it's a whole different vibe. Their onboarding is solid. They really try to show you the ropes. But their editor? It's like, wow, flashy, but kind of intimidating if you've never built a course before. It's a deep platform, and you'll definitely need a bit of patience to master it. So in terms of pure, no-fuss setup, Thinkific wins this round, hands down. Features and flexibility. Oh, this is where things get spicy. Thinkific is easy. Bulk upload, unlimited video hosting, plus certificates for students, and even AI-powered quiz creation, which is honestly pretty slick. But site templates are kind of basic, and there's no in-app exam stuff, which might annoy you if you do full-on testing. And forget about SCORM, which some institutions absolutely need. LearnWorlds? Now here's where they flex. Full SCORM support for pro-level content, super interactive videos, an assignment builder with literally 16 question types, and automated video transcription that feels science fiction level. If you like detailed surveys and feedback, you'll love their options. Plus, they even let you build your own branded mobile app for Android and iOS. Only thing is, some of these features are totally overkill if you just want simple courses. And if you want full white label, it's gonna cost you. But overall, LearnWorlds is the winner here. It's just so much more flexible and loaded for pros. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Thinkific actually lets you launch your first course totally free? Meanwhile, LearnWorlds lets you create interactive quizzes with not 5, not 10, but 16 different question types. Talk about serious choices for creators. Okay, let's switch to mobile and integrations. Thinkific has a neat iOS app. It's polished and easy to use. And get this, 90+ different third-party integrations. So whether you're a Zapier nerd or just want to plug in some cool widgets, they've got you covered. Now, weirdly, there's no Android app from Thinkific. Like, why though? Meanwhile, LearnWorlds lets you actually build your own mobile app, and it works on both Android and iOS. Which, seriously, if you're building a brand, that's hot. Integration-wise, it's kind of chill. Connects to Stripe, PayPal, Shopify, and a few more, but basically just around 10 options. So it's less about quantity, more about the big names. For versatility, especially with integrations, Thinkific takes it here. That iOS app, plus all those integration options, all day. Next up, support and community. This is big for me because you will have questions. Thinkific is solid. Their customer support team actually helps. It's not just bots. There's a lively community too, so if you post, you'll get answers. But the best support is locked behind expensive tiers. LearnWorlds goes deep with onboarding, a solid help center, and a buzzing instructor community if you want to network. But yep, some premium support perks mean paying more. So honestly, both are strong, and the differences aren't super dramatic here, so we'll call it a tie. Last one, customization and branding. Thinkific's vibe is clean and professional. Picking a template takes seconds. However, if you want to go wild with branding, it's kind of meh. Customization is limited. LearnWorlds, though, is like, go ahead, paint the whole page. There are advanced and honestly really exciting website templates, plus full white label options and front-end page building tools. The only heads up is that if you want white labeling, get ready. That price shoots up. Still, if branding matters to you, LearnWorlds brings the wow factor and is the clear champ here. So here's a visual layout of how both stack up across all categories. You'll notice Thinkific dominates on simplicity and integrations, but LearnWorlds explodes on features and customization. All right, wrapping up. Here's what I really think. If you're a beginner, solo entrepreneur, or just want to get up and running now with no tech headaches or upfront cost, Thinkific is honestly perfect. But if you're building something ambitious, maybe you want to run a fully branded academy, add interactive learning, or need insane exam features, LearnWorlds is absolutely worth the jump. Both are top tier. It just depends what you need. So if this helped you out, make sure to follow along for more deep dives like this. I've always got the latest picks, tips, and wild platform showdowns for course creators.